Bowl.
Honey, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
Okay. What is called?
Baggie.
One more.
Baggie.
One more.
Baggie.
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 What is called?
Dove. Dove.
One more.
Dove.
Stove.
Dove.
No.
Dove.
Stove.
Dove.
One more.
Dove.
One more.
Dove.
What is called? What is called?
Cow. Foil. Foil.
Foil.
Foil.
Foil.
Foil.
Okay. Next one. What is called? What is called, honey? Tea.
Tea kettle.
One more.
Tea kettle.
Tea kettle.
Tea kettle.
One more.
Tea kettle.
Tea kettle.
Tea kettle.
One more.
Tea kettle.
And the next one. It's your toy. Tell me, what do you have today?
Blue bucket. Blue bucket. Blue cup. Blue cup.
What's next?
Pink bucket. Grapes. Pink cup. Lobster.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. What is it called?
Eggplant. Carrot.
Carrot.
Carrot. What in mommy?
Where?
Where?
Radish.
Radish.
One more.
Radish. Fish. Corn.
Say
Crab.
corn.
Corn. Crabs.
Say crab.
Crab.
One more.
Crab. Fish. Ham. Bell pepper.
Okay, finish. Say bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
See?
See you next time. Bye. Shodika.
Very good.